Peace out, Girl Scout. I did that. Why? Why'd I do that? I feel like Taylor Swift, like, but also in the 50s. I don't know what I feel like today. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Natalie. So today's video, as you could tell by the title, we are doing a haul, like everywhere just had their semi-annual sales, like the 60, 70, 80% off. So we have an outlet mall by me. It's the Tanger outlets, however you say them. I know that there are more of them. They're not just like in Ohio where I'm located. So if you guys go to Tanger, go ahead and comment some of your favorite stores from your Tanger down below. But we went to mine because, first of all, they're outlets, so they're even cheaper than the regular stores. They had the semi-annual sales, and so my friends and I were like, gotta go. We gotta smash some big bucks there. And let me tell you, I did. I spent so much freaking money there, but it was all worth it. It was so worth it. So we're just doing a haul today of all of the crap that I got, and if I can find it online, I'll link it down below. But like I said, they were outlet stores, so sometimes you can't find the same stuff like from outlet to outlet. So if not, I'll just link like the stores that I shopped at down below to their website so you can find products similar to it. So without further ado, let's just get into this haul. Okay, so guys, the first place I went, I did a little damage, just a little bit. I went to Kate Spade. Who let me do that? Who let me go there? It was a bad idea. I only bought 2 bags, which is really good for me because I would have bought so many, but I limited myself to 2, and one wasn't even for me. I got it for my mom. She just got a new job and we got a new house and everything, and so I got it for her for like a congratulations, you're amazing, I love you present, but I also really like it, so I'm probably gonna borrow it sometimes. I'm such a bad kid. But my purse that I just got exclusively for me was this beautiful Kate Spade. It's like the ovally bag, and it's got like some polka dotty type things. If you can't tell from my dress today, I love freaking polka dots. Everything was like 70% off, I think. Anyways, this was like $229. Oh, actually, this bag was $359 originally. Then they marked it down because it was on clearance to $229, and then it was 70% off of clearance. So I got it for cheap. Like, I got both of these bags, this and the other bag combined. I think I paid like $180 or $190 all together, like not separately, like all together. That is stinking cheap for Kate Spade. So that one is my bag. And then the one that I got for my mom is a little bit bigger just because she carries some more stuff. She's a teacher and everything. So this is hers. Oh, it's so cute. It's got the nude bow on it. That's like a flap there. It's nice and big here. It doesn't have the like, it doesn't hang down low. It's just a shoulder purse. So I know she likes that style, so I got that for her. But it's so precious. I just love it. Next store I went to was Vera Bradley, and I believe that they had 50% off of everything and then an additional 30% off your entire purchase. And I needed a new bag for school. I'm heading to college and I just needed something new to carry my books and stuff in, but I'm an education major, and so I'm going to be in the schools a lot, and so I was kind of debating between getting like a tote, like a teachery tote that I can take my notepads and stuff to take notes in the classroom, or if I wanted like an actual backpack. So I bought both from Vera Bradley and then was like, I'll just take back whatever I decide I don't want, and I'm not keeping the backpack. I'll show it to you. This was the backpack. It's super cute, and it was on sale for like $30. It was really precious. Actually, I think I might keep this and use it for a giveaway. That's a great idea. If you want me to do that, comment, do a back to school giveaway in the comments below. If no one really likes this, because it's a different style, but I really like Vera Bradley stuff. So if it's something you guys would enjoy seeing, comment, do a back to school giveaway in the comments below, and I'll hold on to this and not return it. But this is the one I was going to keep. It's got a lot of pockets in it and everything. It's really nice. I had a Vera Bradley last year. It lasted me the whole year, but I just wanted a new one. So I'm not keeping this one, unless y'all tell me to. The one I am keeping is called a work tote, and it's just this navy blue. It's really big. The inside of it has like these different colored polka dots. They're so cute. It's got like a front pocket. It's got a place in here for my laptop. It's got a it's got big space for my textbooks and stuff, so this is going to be really nice just as a shoulder bag. I don't have a ton of actual like academic classes. I'm mainly doing field experience like in the classrooms, working and stuff like that, so I think that'll be really nice for doing that. Guess where else I went? I went to J. Crew, my favorite. I got a lot of stuff from J. Crew. I think they had 60% off as well. One thing I wore it the other night, and I'm so annoyed. It was so cute. I have to take it back there. So I went to pull the tag out of the back, like the actual tag that was hooked to like the sewn-in tag, and it ripped like the whole tag out, and now there's like a hole in the back, and I was like, this is not supposed to happen. Like, I didn't even pull on it that hard, so I'm gonna go and get a new one of them because it's super cute. It's like this little navy blue sweater, and it's got a little bow on the front. It's like short sleeve. It's precious. Anyways, I'll show you the other stuff I got because usually J. Crew is like high quality. I'm sure I won't have an issue with like getting it damaged out and getting a new one because they're always really good about that. So I 10 out of 10 recommend J. Crew, especially J. Crew Factory. You can get amazing deals there. Let's just show you the stuff that I got. In store, I got this cute little, it's like a midi hot pink skirt, and it ties in a bow around the waist. I've been getting kind of some longer stuff. I have, well, for teaching, I'm trying to build up my wardrobe for like field experience and stuff, having some nice stuff. I also have another thing that's going to be happening soon that I will need nicer outfits for, hopefully, fingers crossed. I will tell you guys about that when it gets sooner to the time because I'm very excited, but still it's kind of up in the air, so when it gets closer, I'll tell you guys, I promise. And to go with that pink midi skirt, I got just this striped tank top to like tuck in, and this is really good to wear with like any kind of solid bottoms. And then I also got these white shorts. They're just like ruffled. They're not super high-waisted. The pockets are also ruffly detailed. They're super cute. They fit like a normal high-rise, but they don't sit at like your natural waist, if that makes sense. So these were really cute. And then the other two things I accidentally hung up because I ordered them and they just came the other night, and so I hung them up after I got them. One is like my navy blue pencil skirt that I got. I got a pink one of it because they fit really nice. So I got a pink pencil skirt that I ordered in my size. And then also just this really pretty green eyelet dress. It's got buttons all down the front. It's super cute on. It's got a little bit of like ruching in the back. And it's just really precious. And then all else I got was that, that navy sweater thing that I have to go return. So I guess I didn't do a ton of damage. I just kind of visited some nicer stores. So I felt like I was blowing a ton of money, but it was worth it. I needed some nicer stuff, and so I don't regret it. That's about all I have for this haul. If you guys enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel down below. Also, comment future video requests down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.